Okay, well, this is still on.
I was like, I couldn't tell you that one. This is getting there. Bubba, are you going to want a bun or are you just going to want yours on the plate?
Just on the plate.
Okay.
I should leave that out for
Is mine getting there?
Yeah, yours is getting there.
Is it soon?
It should be soon. I can't tell from right now. So she's going. So. You what?
I mean, we can
Yeah,
down
yeah.
skip drinks.
Sure, yeah.
I want mine to
Why are you roasting fruit?
Smell it's chicken.
Oh, that looks like fruit.
I don't know.
Alright,
I
so-
thought it was fruit too.
I
I
don't
kind of
know.
want mine to just catch fire. Because that's
I
when it
kinda
actually, like...
You have to wait for
gets all-
marshmallows for that.
No, because then it just roasts my...
Going so low.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Is it actually real?
No.
No, was it
Yeah,
doing...
I'm going to get a knife so I can check it.
Get a knife?
Yeah.
So we got a top knife?
Yeah, I have. That's one of the...
Sorry, guys, for the background music. Mom, I think mine's done.
Yours is definitely done. Okay.
Almost, buddy. Not quite.
I think mine's done,
It's
Mom.
definitely black on the outside, but it's not cooked.
Is that his first one still?
I think I'm just going to
Yeah,
toast it.
What?
It's just taking a really long time. And it's black on the outside. I'm not sure they're going to cook properly out here.
I think
Okay, guys,
mine's
I've
done.
Can you put the grill on it?
What?
Can you put the grill on it?
It'll snuff it out
Just squeeze it in.
because these aren't charcoal.
We're getting there.